Hi guys, so for today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can add an item to your restaurant's menu. Alright, so first we need to log into Mucho Taste, your Mucho Taste account. Alright, and click manage. And on the left side corner here, you can see this spoon and fork image. Just click that. That's the menu. That's where, all right. So this is where we can manage everything about the restaurant's menu. So we can add an item here. Just click that. For example, this menu. All right. And create new item. And for example, we wanted to add a kids happy meal item. And we need to put the price. And on this display name, it's this is actually optional. If you wanted the display name to be different from the name that you can see on the internal menu here, where you can see the menus, everything about the restaurant's menu. This is the internal menu. So if you wanted the display name that will show on your restaurant's website to be different from the internal menu, so that's when you can put a different name here on this part. So in my case, I will just leave that part because I just wanted this kids Happy Meal name to be displayed on the same on the restaurant's menu. So let's put the price. Okay, and click save. It's really important that we click save so that every changes that we make is, oh, sorry, every changes that we make will be made, of course. So let's go to this part here, this one with like the arrow. Just click that and it will direct you to the restaurant's page or to the restaurant's website. All right, so this is the website where we can see everything, the menus. All right, so let's check if this item here that we made, this Kids Happy Meal, show up here on the restaurant's website under breakfast category. There you go. So that's the item that we added a while ago. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add an item to your restaurant's website. Thank you for watching.